Good morning, dear students, and warm welcome to the grammar class. This will be perhaps the last grammar class because from Monday onwards I am going to take only the literature. Alright, today I have brought essay writing because when I won't be taking the grammar class, at least you can write, you can practice the essay writing. That is why deliberately I have taken this essay writing so that you can start practicing writing the narrations and so on. Now, what is an essay, my dear students? We have already discussed in the previous classes that an essay is a short work of writing that treats a topic from writer's point of view. Alright, the essays are non-fictional but often subjective. It has got subject. Today, it has become the major part of formal education, and that is why it is very compulsory, very compulsory in all aspects of educational sectors. Now, it is taught to improve. Essay is always taught to improve their writing skills. Now, writing skill is must for the communication, and the writing skills when you can express very frequently and very easily you can express your feelings and emotions and knowledge. It is used to judge the mastery and comprehensions of materials. Alright, now having seen what is an essay, we can go for the types of essay. That is descriptive essay, narrative essay, and compare and contrast essay. Alright, now when you have three types of essay. Now let's take the first one, descriptive essay. What is descriptive essay? The aim of descriptive essay is to provide a vivid picture of the person, location, object, event, or debate. Alright? Now, it will offer details. It will offer details that will enable the reader to imagine the items described. Alright, that is called descriptive essay. The second one is narrative essay. What is narrative essay? The aim of narrative essay is to describe a course of events from a subjective advantage point. It may be written in the first person or first person past tense, though not always chronologically. Narrative essays do follow. It really follows the development of the persons through a series of experiences and reflections. The focus of the essay is often to more clearly identify the point of view of the narrator and to express common feature of subjectivity, that is called narrative essay. Now, compare and contrast essay, you have to be a little bit careful. The aim of compare or contrast essay is to develop the relationship between two things. You have to be very acquainted with the two things. Generally, the goal is to show that superficial differences or similarity which are inadequate, and that closer examinations reveals their unobvious yet significant relations or differences. That is called comparing and contrasting. That means you have to have knowledge of both to compare and to contrast. This is all about the types of essay. Now, I would request you, take any topic which is the most easiest topic you take. Let's say you begin with a cow. The cow, you take environment, you take eco-friendly. These are the topics. Just you take as simple as possible. The green revolution. These are the topics. And try to maintain these points which I have already set, which I have already instructed and suggested to you. You try to follow this, and then you begin writing. you start using simple sentences. Suppose you write about cow. What is cow? And after writing what is cow, you go for description, the physical description of the cow, then use of cow, the value of cow, the moral of cow, what is the place of cow in the society, and thus the usefulness of cow also should be highlighted. And then you will find either to improve your writing or improve your knowledge, thinking skill. That is descriptive essay, narrative. You can take any little hard topic, and of course you start you taking the topic which can be comparable, which can be contrastable, and then you can find this topic useful. Thank you for listening, and this is going to be the last lecture. And so you can practice as many essays as possible. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.